So hey you guys, so I'm back to review Outré's perfect hairline lace frontal unit in the style LANA. Can we just appreciate what Outré did to this hairline? It looks so natural. So as far as the cap construction goes, you're going to get 2 combs by the lace parting, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and they also added an elastic band. So I do believe she is big hair friendly. The lace is soft. So here I am just showing you the parting space. I do have a medium brown stocking cap on. You can choose to wear a nude stocking cap if you want to. So I am feeling this wig hands down. Like, I'm just playing with it, trying to see how I want to style her. She is really long. I don't really know if I like her in the middle part, but here is how the wig looks in the back once you first get her out of the packaging. Like I said, she's really long. So here are my final results. I do love her as the top knot ponytail, but I decided to rock her as the side part in this video. So stay tuned for my final thoughts. So I have another bomb unit to show you. If you're interested, stay tuned for this video. So this is another wig sent from ebonyline.com. They come through with another Soleil. Like, girl, this is so shapoppin'. Thank you so much to ebonyline.com for sponsoring this video and sending me out this wig to review for you guys. The Soleil is so real with this one, so let's just hop into it. This is a wig from Outré, however you want to pronounce it, and it's from their Perfect Hairline collection. And I have her in the style LANA, and this is the box that she came in. So pretty. I absolutely love the box. I never really keep the boxes. I just keep the actual, like, the plastic that they come in, but I don't actually always keep the box. But I'm thinking about keeping this box because I just love how the model looks on the box itself. So like I was saying, her name is LANA. I have her in the color number 1B. It's from their Perfect Hairline fully hand tied 13x6 lace wig collection, and she is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. Once again, this is a 13x6 lace frontal unit. This is a closer look of the model on the stock. So you do have to cut lace from ear to ear, and the lace is a medium brown transparent color. It is Swiss lace, so it's definitely forgiving on your edges. She does come with baby hairs, and I did just do a little bit just for a more natural, realistic look. And I love how the hairline blends so well with my actual hairline. So let's get into the specs with LANA. So she is fairly long. That's the first thing that I noticed about this wig. She is really long. I want to say she is about 26 inches long on me. You do have slight layers with this wig, so you don't have to worry about cutting it. I think the layers come perfectly. She does come with these factory curls that's really tightly done, so you'll definitely have to brush or comb this wig out to get this look, to achieve this look. I just used a big paddle brush, and I used my curler wand to set my part, and that's pretty much it. I did use my Got To Be Glue freezing spray to hold the curls in place because she does get frizzy, so you want to use your hairspray to kind of like combat that frizz that this wig is going to give you. This is a synthetic wig, but she can take heat, like I said, up to 400 degrees. The texture, girl, the texture is so pretty on this wig. She is a yucky texture. There's nothing silky about it, but when you first get her straight out of the package, she is very soft, and it feels like almost human hair like. It almost feels like it's a synthetic human hair blend. So I love the texture on this unit. The density is on the more natural side. If I had to give a percentage on this density, it's more so on the 130 side. I like my hair to be 200% density or higher. I'm a big girl, so I like big hair. I want something that's going to complement me. I need 5 to 6 bundles of hair. It's not thin, but it's not as full as I expected or want it to be. So that's just that. I did receive a little bit of shedding, a little bit of tangling. This is not fresh out the package. I have worn this hair all day yesterday, all day today. Pretty much how LANA is going to look once you wear her out and style her and play with her. Curls for days. I love the whole sexiness to this wig. She definitely has, you know, some sex appeal to this wig. You can pretty much dress this wig up or down, however you choose. But for me, like, I would love to see her in the middle part or in the top knot ponytail, because I think she'll look absolutely gorgeous like that. The luster looks really natural for this to be a 1B. She doesn't look plastic looking. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look like synthetic. I love a good synthetic wig that looks like bundles. So I love the fact that these companies are giving us more parting space, more frontal vibe, this natural hairline. Like, I just love how these synthetic companies are stepping their game up. The price that she's going for is fairly inexpensive for the type of style and the type of styling options you can get with this wig. So definitely check the link out down below. Like, is she a slay or what? Did we should slay her? Like, thank you again for sending this wig out for me so we can slay on this channel. Like, are y'all here for the slay or what? Subscribe, click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next one. Bye, you guys.